You are welcome for today anxiety and depression reduction workshop. Today we are going to talk about more about what causes depression and ways that we can overcome depression and what is depression himself. Okay, being in a college can be an overwhelming experience at times when things feel uncertain or off or uncontrolled. It's understandable to feel fear, anxiety, or sadness. The key is learning to manage these feelings in a healthy and positive way. What are the main causes of anxiety and depression? Abuse, physically or emotional, can make you feel vulnerable to depression later in life. The age. People who are elderly are at high risk of depression. Certain medication, conflicts, death or loss can also lead to depression. Ways to overcome anxiety and depression. Talk with family members and friends and explain how they can be helpful. Your therapist may recommend self-help materials. Regular exercise can reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. For more inquiry, please contact us at this email son21005@byui.edu. Thank you so much for today's workshop. I know that it is wonderful for us to be able to help you understand what is anxiety and what causes anxiety and ways we can overcome them. Thank you so much.